Well, folks, it seems like the snow got me on my tent. The weight of it collapsed it. It's full of water. And it splintered my poles. So I'm kind of effed on that business. And this is about the third $100 tent that I've gone through. Last one splintered my poles, and I really couldn't find replacement poles. So I'm going to try again. Of course, that's gonna have to try. Getting tired of buying $100 tents every day. So, I need somewhere to be able to stay out here other than sleeping in the truck. And I'm not out here 100%, but still splintered that one. And I don't know how the baby's tent looks in there. He's got his own tent in there. But that's that. Deuces.